यस 80 WPM की स्पीड रहेगी. बी रेडी. स्टार्ट. मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन सर, by moving this bill for consideration, my honorable friend has raised a very important question affecting public life. Full stop. There could be absolutely no matter of doubt that the corruption in public life have become rampant. Full stop. As a result of this, people in public have become great suspects. Full stop. In a seminar which I was attending on code of conduct for public men, somebody observed that once a man becomes a minister, occupies a seat of power for generation, his economic problems are solved. Full stop. It may be exaggerated statement, but it has been our sad experience that people who have occupied high positions in public life, who have become ministers, member of parliament or members of legislatures, have overnight become affluent person. Full stop. This may not be true of all members of parliament. This may not be true of all members of legislatures. This may not be true of all ministers, but quite a large number of them have overnight become so affluent that it becomes really difficult for any man to understand how the men become so affluent. Full stop. Next stanza. The whole thing becomes a mystery to the common man, and the character and integrity of the person concerned becomes highly suspect. Full stop. I know, sir, that it would be too much to expect the same standard of public behavior as we had during the days of Ramayana. Full stop. Those who were in charge of administration, those who were occupying the highest office, put themselves to the highest form of test, the highest form of ordeal. Full stop. Can there be any doubt that public life is so much corrupted today that we have all become suspect? Question mark. Next stanza. In fact, the people have also become jealous of the members of parliament. Full stop. They say somehow one has got to become a member of parliament or a member of legislature or somehow come closer to the courtiers of power. Full stop. Why do they say this? Question mark. Because they see the sudden change in the outlook, the behavior, the kind of living of a particular individual. Full stop. But sir, the solution in this problem of corruption in public life may not be like instant coffee. Full stop. The solution may be very difficult. Full stop. In fact, this was pointed out by the Santham committee itself. Full stop. In its report, it made certain recommendations that a certain code of conduct should be there, and that shall be a solution to end corruption in the public life, full stop and over.